I love her talaga. As in, like, she's so cute.
Very, very humble pa when you watch her. Saranghe! 안녕하세요. 아주씨입니다. Today is April 1, and today is the release of the new song of IZ*ONE, Violeta.
We are fans.
We are big fans of IZ*ONE. They recently launched their newest light stick.
Oh, that's so
It's so
cool.
nice. Para siyang Olympic torch. Tapos meron siyang mga mini halo-halo balls. Pero yung mga sago balls, before sila lumaki, isa yung maliliit na balls. Cute siya. It's a picture here. Okay, before we watch it, we'll do a recap of members. Punta kami sa IZ*ONE members K-pop profile. Kasi
Nakalimutan namin kung sino.
we love Sakura and Chaeyoung.
Yeah, sorry guys.
Oh, yan, ayan. Okay, so we're in IZ*ONE member profile. IZ*ONE fan?
Ayan, si Yoonbi. Actually, I like her. She's the one of the dancers, diba? Sila ni Chaeyoung. She's the leader.
Main dancer.
The
really?
oldest.
She's the leader?
Yeah, she's the oldest kasi. You know, she is the mother of...
I thought that was the girl, si Woonyoung yung leader, but apparently not.
She's super young though.
Yeah, the 14-year-old girl.
She's like...
I thought because she was the center, di ba usually
Yeah.
center? I mean, leader siya yung center, pero apparently hindi siya yung leader. So, okay, next we have Sakura. I love Sakura.
Yeah,
I
she's the
love
best.
Sakura.
I love her.
She's my stan ever since I was watching like Produce 48. Super, I love her so much. She's so cute. And then yung napanood niyo ba yung Idol Room, yung sumasayaw siya ng durut-durut-du. Ang cute niya sumayaw ng durut-durut.
Yeah, and she's so regal. As in, parang yung face niya, parang for someone na talagang sisikat. Alam mo
Yeah,
yun?
that's true. Or made for
Made for fame.
artistas. Yeah, one.
She's
Yeah, the lead rapper, vocalist, and visual.
As in, like, nung nanonood ako sa
Kamukha niya yung friend ko. Kamukha niya si Sadie.
Oh, yeah.
She has a dog named Zizi.
We love dog
Actually, favorite ko
lovers.
talaga yung K-profiles na website na to.
Ako rin. Actually,
Updated siya sa mga news about the
Kuran
person.
may bago.
Yeah, and even the
Diyan
photos
ako
are really
pupunta.
updated.
Yena.
Go sisters, slay!
She's the main rapper, lead vocalist, and the lead dancer. Wow.
Wow, multi-talented si Wakala.
Dami yan nangyari.
Daming
Her
talent.
official color is yellow. Wow.
I love yellow.
My favorite.
Our
Chaeyoung. I love Chaeyoung. Oh my god. Ang galing talaga niya sa K-pop idol room ba yun? Idol room.
Nagaling siya.
Kasi nung nag-grand play dance, like, wow.
Nagaling siya sumayaw.
That's why I fell in love with Chaeyoung. And then yung sister pa niya, si Chaeryeong from ITZY. Family's like cool.
Talented.
Their genes are like
We
made for
stand
K-pop.
That's true.
Chaewon.
Oh, she's the cute girl.
She's the small girl, right?
Her facial color is mint.
Her nickname is Angel Chaewon because she does look like an angel.
Oh my god, I love her. Minju's like one of my favorites kasi sobrang ganda niya talaga. As in, parang sabi ko, what the heck?
Kamukha ngayon din niya si Mina sa picture.
Yeah, and like nung Produce 48, as in sobrang bilis niyang nag-develop into like this great person, this great singer, dancer, etc. So parang talagang
Props to her. She is gold.
Actually,
Yeah.
everyone in this group is goals.
oh my god, I
Oh
love
my
her.
god, Nako!
Oh my god, she's like my favorite. She's like one of my favorites. Lahat ng mga favorites.
Actually, Nako is my favorite.
She's
Parang,
so
I
cute talaga.
remember watching her videos nung nasa AKB48 pa siya or HKT48, yung wala siya masyadong fans.
Yeah.
So parang di siya pinipilahan ng mga tao. And parang sad. Tapos nung after she became Produce 48, as in wow, you can see her growth as a person and as a performer. As
I
in, ang
love her
galing niya.
talaga. As in, like, she's so cute.
And then she's very, very humble pa when you watch her.
Hitomi.
Hitomi.
She's cute.
Well, all of them.
R naman.
Yeah.
Si Yuri. Yuri's official color is orange.
Mm-hmm.
And then she has a sister who was born in 2005 and she trained for 9 months now. Eugene.
Si Eugene,
This
she's
girl is
Starship,
very,
right?
very pretty.
For me, she's super talented. Magaling siya. Tapos parang whenever I watch mga IZ*ONE videos, parang
siya yung nakikita ko.
like you fixate on her.
And then this girl who I never thought
Will
was
be the
14 years old.
Pero,
oh my god,
yeah.
she's freaking
Pero she's like
14 years
40 and
old.
she's so young.
Well, and she's so tall. As in, when you watch them, parang hindi mo akalain na 14 years old lang pala siya. Akala mo mas matanda siya. Because mas mature yung look niya.
Yeah, but she's so pretty talaga.
Wow.
And parang ngayon, I really understand why she got the
the
number
center
1
role.
round. Kasi ano talaga talagang may charm siya. She's stunning.
So yeah, who's your IZ*ONE bias? So sige, tingnan natin to. For me, it's Chaeyoung. Okay, who's the number one? Minju is the number one.
Ooh.
Bias, then Sakura, then Moonyoung, then Chaeyoung. Sino yung lowest?
Si Yui. Kawawa naman si Yui.
One of my favorite songs talaga is La Vie en Rose.
Ako rin.
Rose.
As in, meron like isang buwan, yun na yung pinapakinggan ko. As in, malala.
But, that's true. First release, second single na to, diba? After...
Yeah, it's the second.
Is there second
But it's
single?
their
Wait, third!
Third kasi yung second was Japanese,
one.
yeah.
This is the third single of IZ*ONE.
I'm so
Violetta.
excited.
Let go. Ang ganda yung Sakura talaga.
She's super pretty.
Chaeyoung is so good.
All of them are pretty.
Di ko yung memorize ko naman itong mga dance na to.
Ako rin.
The colors are so pretty. Okay, kamukha niya si ano.
Ganda niya talaga, no? Actually, lahat
This
sila
girl
maganda.
looks like Jonghyun from Twice.
Oh, yeah. I could see it.
Oh my god, I love her.
Oh my god, she's like my favorite. Oh my god, I love her. Hinako. Oh my god, your fave.
Oh my god, Chaeyoung. I love her dance breaks. Oh, wow. Wow.
Interesting. Oh my god. Power, bakla. Eto na. Uy, bakla.
Wow.
Hindi ko expect yan, ha. In fairness. Ay! Uy, in fairness, like ko siya, guys.
Ang ganda ng colors talaga, ang vibrant. It's very
Uy,
pretty.
ang type. Type ko siya, girl.
Wow! Tayo naman si ano. Paano niya? Timuyong? Timuyong niya, di ba?
Sorry, hindi ko alam. Shit. Oh my god, play! Oh my god,
Oh my god, Chaeyoung! My favorite talaga.
ang ganda talaga, what the heck? I like the song. Hey!
I love her also.
I know! Yes! Slay!
Wow! Hindi ba
Oh my
yung
god, ang ganda niya talaga.
choreo?
Ang ganda talaga ni Sakura! My favorite. Oh my god, ang ganda niya. Oh my god, that was so ethereal. Ciao.
I love the zoom-in shot of Chaeyoung.
That's true.
As in like,
Ang ganda niya
wow.
doon. What the heck?
It's Jonghyun.
Gabalik. Ang ganda ng cinematography. Ang ganda ng set. What the hell?
I like the choreography also.
Ako din.
Wow.
Slay, gago. Ang ganda. Yay! Ang ganda ng color scheme.
Yeah.
Sobrang trip yung
Parang
color
like,
scheme.
like muted colors, pero may vibrant yung mga red and green.
Yes. Very ano tawag doon? Yung mga teal, your, may tawag doon eh.
I don't know.
Wait lang. I love it. Your pastel.
Yeah. Pastel colors.
Yeah. Oh my god, I love it. We stand.
IZ*ONE.
We stand.
Okay, let's go IZ*ONE. What is your thoughts about this IZ*ONE Violetta video?
The music video was really nice. I like the color palette.
Same.
I really like the music. As in, lalo na yung drop. As in, like, I like that a lot.
Naka-LSS siya actually. Like, Violetta.
Yeah.
It's so-
Kahit like
so
first
cute.
time pa lang namin na siya napapakinggan. As in,
Yeah.
super, we like the song.
At the same time, ang ganda talaga nila. The girls are so pretty.
Yeah,
like,
all
their
of them.
Their close-up shots. Well, especially, of course, Chaeyoung and
Pero
Sakura.
yun, na-accentuate yung parang features nila because of, in this music video.
For me, though, I wanted something like a dance break of like the main dancers,
yeah, that's
Chaeyoung,
true.
tsaka si Unbi. Unbi? Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero,
Yeah, that's
I don't
true.
think the song was like for
That's true,
that.
that's
Baka sa
true.
next songs nila, ganyan. Pero yeah,
Yeah.
It's a nice
Super
video. It's
interesting.
a
We
nice
love
video.
that.
I think it will become number 1. That's it. So that ends our video for today. I hope you like our reaction video. We'll do more reaction videos
That's true.
of our
Real fan.
groups. Chat.
Of our, yun talaga, tumitili
Yung
talaga
mga
kami.
BTS and mga
And
Twice.
Twice.
And of course, Blackpink.
Blackpink.
So if you like our video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you did. Subscribe down below if you want to see more of us. And comment down below on what you want us to do next. So with that, saranghe, high five, annyeong! Bye guys, see you next time.